Hi guys, welcome to Galupuk channel. I'm Katin.
I'm Dio.
And Palm. Now we are at MBS.
Yeah.
Today we have Excel workshop at our faculty.
Yeah. And we are now at MBS building. We are going to the room MBS 200. Yeah, let's go. Bye bye. MBS 200 is on the second floor, so we have to go upstairs. Here is MBS 200, our Excel workshop. And in the room have the kind of like soy milk for free, like a break for us. And we are going to that class now. Excel class. Now we are surfing the internet for finding out the background. We have to do the name card by using the Excel. Yeah, this is the example here. How was your work?
Now we still search for like a background of card
Oh,
and assignment from teacher to make a card.
why you have two keyboard?
It didn't work.
Huh?
It didn't work.
Internet is very slowly.
Yeah, and his computer is
Also
fucking
fucking slow.
Slow like the owner, right?
slow like Despacito.
Like other people, they got the background already.
We are already finished class Excel workshop, and today we have learned about the formula such as we look up, if, and create the pay slip. For the VLOOKUP, it's like we use the formula to copy the information of the worker, some company, to report to the CEO. Yeah. And for the if, we learn like if something yes, if something not, how the result will show up. Yeah.
In each activity, the teacher will give the score to give the reward. In the morning, teacher will give one reward, like a voucher. The voucher value is around 100 of Swenson. And also after lunch, also have one reward for people who have a lot of score. In each score, will get from when you do the Excel and after that you send the Excel and is correct. So you will give 5 score, but people who didn't correct or who didn't send will give just 3 score.
And this is very good for us from Excel workshop that we learned that because we are first year now and we're gonna graduate it and we will going to the work environment. If we know the Excel, we gonna working fluently and we know the kind of like shortcut solution. It's gonna make us working faster than other people. And the facility and the break from the workshop is very well. I think I like that. They give us snack and they have like a soy milk for us too. Yeah, and teacher who teaching is she's explained very clearly and understandable and easy to understandable. And the friend in our class is also happy with this. Yeah, and now we are relaxing here and we are going to eating some mango or some fruit. Yeah. Yeah, I got this mango. In summer, like most of the students gonna eating raw mango, mixing with what is this palm?
It's like chili,
Like sugar,
sugar.
and salt. Yeah. Let's try, you guys. That is. Thank you so much for watching.
If you want more video like this, don't forget to like and share.
We are going to do something to be continued.